To activate your C3Pay salary card, begin by downloading the C3Pay app from your Google or App Store. Once the download is done, open it and tap on your favorite language. As you can see here on the screen, guys, we have different languages starting from Hindi, Nepalese, Urdu, and English. For the sake of this video, let me select English. The login and register page will be open. If you are new to C3Pay and you have just received your C3Pay salary card, all you have to do is simply tap here on the register button. Go ahead and tap on the I'm ready button you see here at the bottom of the screen. So, which card do you have? Do you have the black card? If you have the C3Pay black card, simply select the black card, enter and put in your 16-digit card number. Once that is done, tap on the next button and enter the 3-digit security code found at the back of your C3Pay card, okay? It's very easy, guys. Our C3Pay account is going to be ready in minutes. On the next step here, enter your mobile number and again tap on the next button. Also enter your email address, move on and read through the terms and conditions. Accept to the terms and conditions, and now we have to add our Emirates ID. Simply tap on the Add Emirates ID button. Scan your Emirates ID if you have it physically. If you don't have your physical Emirates ID yet, add your Emirates ID photos, both the front side and the back side, and then tap on Yes, Continue. Now, all your Emirates ID information will be revealed. Check clearly before proceeding. Review this information. Once you are satisfied, tap on the next button. Go ahead and enter your place of birth and then confirm. To finalize activating our C3Pay salary card, we have to take a selfie for security and verification reasons. So guys, tap on the next button, give C3Pay access to your camera, and then scan your face. Once you are done, a verification code will be sent to your registered mobile number. Remember, it's the number that we have entered while creating our C3Pay account. So, enter this OTP and verify. Once that is done, create your login password that you will use to access your C3Pay app. That is it, guys. Congratulations, your C3Pay has been successfully activated. You can now log in into your C3Pay account using the mobile number and the password we have just created. You can as well activate your Face ID to make logging in easier. But here is something very important. How do you find or set your C3Pay card ATM PIN? Once your account is active, inside the app, navigate to the profile icon section. Here you can manage your ATM card like blocking and unblocking your card. But to see our C3Pay card PIN, simply tap here on Show ATM PIN. Again, you'll have to enter your 16-digit card number, your 3-digit security code at the back of your C3Pay card. Guys, make sure nobody can see your screen, and again, tap on Show ATM PIN. This is your ATM card PIN, and it will disappear in 30 seconds. The video up next will guide you on how you can take your salary loan advance from the C3Pay app. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments.